before we get started, let's check out the links in my description. We all want nice things. We want the car, we want a house, we want a high limit credit card. But if you don't have at least a 680 credit score, you're not even in the game. So click this link here to know where you stand and get your free credit scores from all three bureaus. That will be Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. And also get your reports. If you would like to be free and become financially independent through entrepreneurship, click this link here to be free. If you'd like to get cash back, which is a discount during shopping, please click this link here to see my favorite cashback sites. And if you enjoy the music you hear in the background, please click the link here and subscribe to It's Oasis. Hello everyone, welcome back to Community Wealth. Today what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to put in a claim with your credit card rental coverage membership. Well, I should say your rental coverage on your credit card. So long story short, I did have a little situation with the car rental I have now. And I called the credit card company that gave me this website, and I'll link the website in the description below. I don't know it right now. I'm actually on the site, but let me see if I can pull it up. It's just called EClaimsLine. So it's the EClaimsLine. I think it's EClaimsLine.com, I would say. EClaimsLine.com. But it's for the car member benefits, which is the car rental coverage on your credit card. And with this, I'm not sure about every credit card. I'm not even sure if it's the same company, but it's secondary to your primary insurance for your vehicle. But if you don't have primary insurance, it actually kicks in as the primary. So that's why I'm using it. So I'm letting you know now, you don't have to get the LDW coverage or the rental car coverage when you rent a vehicle. Now you can, because it would make it a lot easier. All right, because I'm not sure if with this service that they're going to reimburse me or what. They told me it's up to the car rental company if they're going to wait for the claim to go through, or if they're going to charge me up front and then the company reimburses me, or the insurance reimburses me. But with the LDW, you don't have to go through any of this. You have an accident in the car, or you damage the car any kind of way, then you just fill out a form with the car rental company, and bam, you're done. You walk out the door, the car, you can smash the car into pieces. As long as you got that coverage, you're good. All right. But anyway, like I say, it's nothing major. It's just like a busted tail light. It's not even the whole thing. It's just like the little red covering over the tail light. So the tail light is still there, just that it has like 2 or 3 layers. And the outer layer, the little red part, got broken off. And there's some scuff on the bumper on the bottom, and the skid plate under the bumper is a 2021 vehicle, so it's a skid plate under the bumper. It got these plastic panelings that came off, and it's in the trunk. And actually, you just got to clip that back on. It's not even broken. You just got to clip it back on. All right. But anyway, that was a whole different situation itself. It was a scary situation when it happened, but no harm, no foul. Everybody's good. And it wasn't a by yourself thing. Trust me, it wasn't. All right. But anyway, we're not going to get into that. We're just going to get into this coverage. All right. So I'm going to show you how to submit this claim. And I haven't done it yet. It's my first time. So I'm going to go through it with you guys, and we'll see how it goes. Okay. So the first thing you have to do is enter your credit card number. So of course, we're going to edit all of this stuff out, and we're going to go to the next page. All right. So here we go. If you are attempting to file a collision damage waiver claim and do not see the collision damage waiver benefit listed below, please call this number here. Okay. By the way, this is through Navy Federal. I have a Navy Federal cash rewards card, and it has the collision damage waiver on it. So that's the card I'm using. It's the Navy Federal cash rewards card. All right. It's a signature card. So, Okay, on the previous page, they just add some personal information, name, address, phone number. So that's what the previous page. Now we're here, the collision damage waiver. All fields are required unless indicated otherwise. Please select the reason which best describes what happened to your item. You can add additional details below. Note, if you are dissatisfied with a recent purchase but the item has not been damaged or stolen, we recommend that you contact the retailer where the item was purchased. For more information, please visit our frequently asked questions page. Claim reason. Okay, so active nature with inclement weather, broken windshield, collision with an object, collision with animal, collision with other vehicle, damage by vandalism, damage to tire, damaged other, fire, stolen, recovered, damaged, stolen, unrecovered, other. So we're going to say damaged other. Vehicle type. Passenger car. Rental contract start date. That was Saturday. What was Saturday? Saturday was March 6th. Rental contract end date March 13th. Date of incident was March 9th. It's in the country, incident state, Tennessee. Benefits payable to So this is the part I have to go talk with the rental agent with. So I'm going to pause this here. I'm going to come back and I guess I'll update this later because I got to know how I'm going to do it, because it could be paid to me or the agency. Now check this out. What happens is the agency can actually elect to wait till the claim is over and get paid, or I can pay out of pocket and I'd be reimbursed. So I'm going to see what they want to do. If they want to go with that notion, then I'll have the agency. Matter of fact, I'm going to take a picture of this and send it to them. Okay. So I'm going to do this and I'm going to see if they'll accept this and we'll go from there. So I'm going to pause this video, and when I come back, I'll finish this contract up. All right. Okay, so now I've visited the rental agency and I have the rental contract. So it's a passenger car and benefit type. We're going to see if they'll accept the rental agency payable. This is a brief description. So I've got to type this in here. Try it. Driving down Highway 24. I could talk. I ain't about to type this out while I'm talking because I'm typing slow as hell. But what I was saying was, this is a this is a continuation, because I started the video and I stopped here to go get the rental contract. Right? Yeah, I'm talking to you. Says driving down Highway 24 in Tennessee around 11 p.m. when a vehicle. Like I said, when a vehicle. I said vehicle headlights because I didn't even see the dang on car itself. I don't know what it was. If I'm saying driving full speed head on toward me, should there be a comment there?
What?
So I was driving down Highway 24 in Tennessee around 11 p.m. when I spotted a vehicle headlights approaching. I would say full speed. Well, whatever speed it is, I won't say full speed.
High speed.
Approaching rapidly.
Rapidly approaching.
There we go. Rapidly approaching. Rapidly approaching head on toward me, going the wrong way.
At a high speed. Well, I guess if you're on a highway, you know what's that now. Well, rapid means you're going quick, so you're fine. Person at a rapid speed.
I said vehicles headlights. Would that be apostrophe S? I guess so.
I think that's apostrophe. Because it belongs to a vehicle. Not be apostrophe S.
Collision.
Apostrophe is there's already plural.
Collision is one S, right?
C-O-L-L. Collision. C-O-L-L-S-I-S-I-N.
She said brief only had 20 to 50 words, so I gotta cut some of this out.
While on the highway. While on highway such and such.
While on highway, okay. There we go. Wow.
A vehicle rapidly approaching line.
On highway 24. While on highway 24.
10 KY.
So in Tennessee. Approximately 11 p.m. I I spotted a vehicle's headlights rapidly approaching head on toward me, going the wrong way, opposite traffic. I swerved my vehicle to the right.
I need it. To avoid collision. Recording?
Mm-hmm. Okay, so while on Highway 24 in Tennessee, approximately 11 p.m., I spotted a vehicle's headlights rapidly approaching head-on toward me, going the wrong way, opposite traffic. I swerved my vehicle to the right to avoid a collision, hitting a deep groove on the road shoulder. Sounds good? All right.
So what the collision?
Man, I ain't got that much room. I only got three spaces left.
Okay.
Yeah. Alright, so this is pretty much, it looks like the end of the waiver. So I guess me going to get the contract from the rental agency. That's all I already needed. So now I add in this brief description. So hopefully it will be payable to the rental agency. It'll be up to them, but I'm going to go ahead and put this agreement in and see if this is actually the end. It says document uploads, claim confirmation. So go ahead and do this. Wow, this is about to be real messed up. Let me go back and fix this. This is supposed to be March 6th. I have February 6th. Wow. God, we looked at this. Always double check your work, guys. Okay, so 6th to the 13th, March 9th, Tennessee Rental Agency. Going to continue. Collision damage waiver. Thank you for providing your claim details. Please note the documentation listed below is necessary to promptly process your claim. However, during the course of our investigation and evaluation of your claim, it may become necessary for us to request additional documentation. As a reminder, you are responsible for obtaining all documentation which must be submitted within the guidelines outlined in the Guide to Benefits provided by your issuing bank. For your convenience, you may upload the documents now. Please retain originals for your records. As additional documents are obtained, please return to your claim to upload the information. If you have any questions or need assistance, please contact us. And of course, they need a further verification or further clarification. I had to go to the frequently asked questions and glossary of terms and things like that. Important, if you are uploading images or if the size of your combined documents exceeds 5 megabytes, please email them to EClaimsLine at EClaimsLine.com. Otherwise, upload below. Then it states at the end, please allow 2 business days for your uploaded documents to be available to your examiner. Alright. So we had a monthly billing statement. Why would I want to upload that? Cardholder charge receipt or monthly billing statement verifying the rental trend. Okay, there we go. Okay, so guess I'm still not done yet because I have to actually go and close this rental out. This is a initial rental agreement. So this is stuff you're gonna need. So you're gonna need your rental transaction, the initial rental agreement, okay, finalized rental agreement. Isn't that what this is? Monthly billing statement, card holders charge receipt. Or, okay, might call them and verify what that is. Because they want to see the rental transaction on here. So this is gonna take a few days. Wow. So here's the final rental agreement here. Photos of the damages, I have that. Prepaid reservation information. Why would they want that? But okay. That's if applicable, so you don't need that. But police rental agency report, police report, and or the auto rental company accident reports. Okay, so yes, it'll be good if I call the police out there, but I might not do that because the rental agency, we're gonna do one when I drop the car off. Insurance settlement, insurance company settlement for this incident, if applicable, don't have that. Itemized repair estimate. Okay, they can get that from the rental agency. Auto insurance declaration page. Okay, I don't have that. Final bill for loss. Any correspondence from rental company outlining charges from this loss. Okay. So, still not finished with this yet. So, this will be updated later. So once I get all that information, we'll come back here. So now we're here where we're going to upload the documents and information to the eClaims site for the accident I had. Well, I won't say the accident I had, but the incident I had when I was driving back in the rental car. So this is for, remember, this is for the auto rental insurance waiver on your credit card. Okay, so as you can see, I already uploaded a few documents. This is the final rental agreement. We don't have the final bill for loss yet. Then go through my insurance company. Here's the initial rental agreement. I haven't uploaded any photos yet. I don't even know what this is. I think it's from your insurance company. I'm not sure. I guess if I need this, or they'll explain to me what this is if they need it. I didn't need this. Don't have this yet. I'll get this from the rental company, which is Enterprise. Now with this, they may go through, because I got a letter from Enterprise in my email stating that they wanted to get, I guess they wanted to get the claim information from my credit card insurance. So I'm going to send this claim in and see if I can get their correspondence with them. And also I'm going to send that letter as well to this credit card insurance company. So I also had to put this on here. I didn't do this yet. This is so they can see that it was an actual charge, from Enterprise and what the charges was on the final contract. I didn't get this, so I uploaded the information I got from Enterprise. And this is the letter I was telling you about. So we're going to go with the photos. I want to see which photos I'm going to use. I'm not sure yet, so I'll go through that now. I think I'll go with this one. They only want 2 photos, so I'll go with this. See, it's adding. Now, so go with this one here. This is the main damage, so this is the main damage, so I just go with that, send them that, the tail light and the bumper situation. Cause it's nothing really bad. I mean, we talking about maybe at the most, I would think maybe because it's a new car, and if you get a little scuff, they'll replace the whole bumper, and they got to replace the light casing. And I know the light casing, when I went to the auto shop down the street, he only said the light casing was like $194. So we're gonna say maybe I'll say $1,500 max. If they're gonna charge. So we'll see. We'll see. And I'm going to add the monthly statement situation in now. So I'm going to pause the video and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm going to upload this screenshot. It's not necessarily what they asked for per se, but I don't have a statement yet. The statement doesn't close for the next week and a half. So I'm going to upload this. If they want something else, then we'll have to go ahead and get them that. But they already have the information on the rental contract, so, and they have my credit card number, so I guess they could probably cross-reference. But anyway, so we have the finalized rental agreement. We don't have this yet. We got to get that from Enterprise. We then go through the insurance. Here's the initial rental agreement. And 2 photos of damage to the vehicle. Don't know really what this is per se, so we'll wait if they need that or not. We didn't need this. This was not necessary. We're going to get this from Enterprise. I uploaded this screenshot. Uploaded the incident report from Enterprise, and we have this here. So double check everything right quick. Thinking maybe I should add 2 more pictures just for safe measures, but they said only wanted 2. Thinking I might do more. Whatever. So, like I said, once they get the estimate information from Enterprise, then we'll go from there. So we're going to submit the claim. Alright, so here it is. Now it's all completed. So you have the claim number. And so it says the claims examiner will be reviewing your information and contacting you within 5 business days to outline the next steps of the process. Please allow 2 business days for any uploaded documents to be available to your examiner. Reminder, your claim will be eligible for coverage if the terms and conditions as outlined in the guide to benefits provided by your issuing bank are met. At any time, you can check the status of your claim by returning to the Manage Your Claims section of the site. If you have any questions or need assistance, please contact us. Here are the claim details: incident information, claim reason, damage other, incident, March 9th, 2021, happened in Tennessee, payable to the rental agency. Here's the contract dates, type of vehicle, and here's the statement. So, again, it's pretty much all it is. It is the EClaims, what it says here. It says the EClaimsLine.com, and that's for the car benefits if you have this on your credit card. So this is pretty much how you do the credit card rental waiver, well, rental damage waiver, or rental auto insurance, however you say it. So, but you have to decline the insurance when you are renting your vehicle. Then you can utilize the benefit on your credit card if you have it. So, but before you rent your car, make sure you have it on your credit card. Otherwise, use a card that have it, or just go ahead and opt for the LDW, or use your own insurance. Now, here's the thing about using your own insurance. You use your primary insurance, you're going to be liable for that deductible. In my case, if I would have used primary insurance, the deductible was $1,000. So I'll be paying $1,000, and then that's when, the insurance will kick in and pay like the balance. Maybe the balance would be like $500, $600, but I still was liable for $1,000. Even if you utilize your primary insurance with your credit card that has insurance for their car rental, you will still have to pay that $1,000 deductible. Then the insurance will kick in, and maybe the credit card will kick in if it's over the insurance parts, but it's just weird. But if you don't want to use your primary insurance and you don't have the credit card insurance, then what you do is you go ahead and get the LDW from the rental agency, because just put it this way. But what happened with me, if that would have happened, I would have just brought the car back, signed the ending contract, and that's pretty much it. I would have walked away. They had to fill out the damage report themselves and say, okay, this is the car, he had the LDW. You're in the clear, you had to pay anything. You just paid that insurance, and that would have been an extra $165 for me. But I didn't do that. I went ahead and used the credit card insurance, and now I have to do all of this and, go through them, and bam. Now, either way I go, I don't pay out of pocket for anything. And, well, I paid through when I rented the car with Enterprise, they took a $300 deposit along with the payment for the rental. So when I took the car back, they took the $300 deposit. So what's going to happen is the insurance, the credit card insurance, if it goes what I'm thinking how it's going to go, they're going to pay for the damage for the vehicle, and they're going to reimburse me the $300. So that's what it's looking like. So they're going to reimburse me $300, and they're going to pay for the damage to the vehicle. Or if I have to pay out of pocket for the vehicle, they'll just reimburse me everything minus the cost of the rental. So pretty much how it goes with the credit card insurance. It's a bit of a headache, but that's if you don't want to utilize the rental agency's LDW, which covered the car rental, or you don't want to use your primary insurance. Even if you use your primary insurance, it's going to still be a headache. You still got to go through all of this stuff. But if you don't want the headache, use the LDW. If you don't want to use your primary insurance, use your credit card. Okay, so but it has to have it on there. All right. But anyway, thanks for watching the video. I'll update you on what's going on with the insurance through the credit card for the car rental, and hey, subscribe to the channel, subscribe to It's OAC, check out the links in the description. Until next time, let's get this money.